Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this delicious vegetable mackerel tomato sauce for yam, potatoes, rice, etc. and etc. It was so delicious, guys. You need to give it a try. So now let's get to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Some oil, green vegetable, you can use spinach, okay. I'm going to be using some smoked mackerel fish, salt, onion, fresh tomatoes, some curry, thyme, rosemary, and seasoning cube, and also some scotch bonnet pepper. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. Now let's get to the cooking. I'm cooking the yam I'm using already. So if you're using yam or potatoes or rice, go ahead and cook that, okay. So in a pan, I'm going to add the oil. Allow the oil to heat up a little. Then I'm going to add my onion. I'm using white onion. You can use any onion of your choice. So I'm going to allow the onion sauteing for a couple of minutes. And while the onion is sauteing, I'm going to add the thyme, curry, rosemary, and seasoning cube into the onion while they are sauteing. So after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add my fresh chopped tomatoes. I'm going to stir everything and add just a little bit of salt to correct the seasoning, okay. Just add to your taste. Now after stirring them, I'm going to allow this to cook down for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to add my clean mackerel smoked fish into the sauce. Stir them and allow them to stay for another 5 minutes, which makes total of 15 minutes now, okay. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to add my green vegetable. We call this vegetable green in Nigeria. Like I said, you can use spinach to do this, okay. You can cook it with spinach. They are the same and they will give you the same taste, okay. So I throw in my pepper in there. I did not add it earlier. So here I'm adding the green vegetable or green leaf, as you can see. So after adding the green leaf, I'm going to stir everything and turn off the heat. Yeah, I'm going to turn off the heat and allow the heat from the tomatoes and the sauce to cook the vegetable, because I don't like to overcook my vegetable. So guys, that is pretty all. This recipe is very simple to put together and it's so delicious with yam, with rice. I tried it with rice and I tried it with yam as well, and it's so delicious. You need to give it a try. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share this video and give me a big thumbs up, guys, okay. And I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.